really hoping that you will be the trailblazers. You will set the example. You will encourage others, but at the same time, recognizing that our rich diversity, is something that we should all cherish.
Tuko na mpango ya vijana wa Kenya. Ndio mnaona hawa vijana wamevalia GUNITED. These are graduates from universities. Na watafanya kazi katika kila sehemu ya Kenya kwa kujitolea, hawalipwi pesa.
My name is Popins Misoi. I'm here to take the team through team building and leadership training. And the activity that they are doing now is an activity on leadership, on teamwork, on creativity, delegation of duties, participation, contribution, and basically that's what they are doing. And once they perform, we will get them to do a debrief on the importance of what they were doing. Because one of the things I asked them is to get a team leader and a team assistant, and also get a team song and dance and a team walk ride. So we want also to know, were they able to delegate those duties to various people that will take that up. The other thing also we're looking at is that the creativity of coming up with a song and the walk ride. And we're also looking at the participation of the whole team. How participatory are they? And also even nominating their leaders. What level of participation did they do to get their leaders? So basically that's the activity we're doing now.
My name is Dr. Karanja. We're in Kajiado County, Isinya Town. We are here to train on entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship 101. What I've covered in this first session is learning about me as an entrepreneur. Is it possible to become an entrepreneur? Why are people becoming entrepreneurs and others are not? So I've covered two things. The mind why. So I've answered the question why. Why should I become an entrepreneur? And number two, I've covered passion. So is it possible to translate passion into profit?
I am Solomon Musia. I'm the county coordinator for Machakos Greatness United program. We have been here for 2 days for an internship program training where the volunteers have been getting invaluable information on social enterprises, entrepreneurship and innovation.
I'm Wendy Nyaga from Nairobi County, but I came here as a visitor to Kajiado County. Currently, we are in Musa Primary undertaking a mentorship program.
My name is Shadrach Okothonduru, an environmental social scientist and an EIA/EA associate expert. Currently, as a volunteer graduate assistant posted to Kajiado County. I'm so blessed to be part of the GUNITED program, and I really want to encourage any graduate out there: give yourself, volunteer, get free experience, get free exposure, get networks, and you meet other people, learn a different culture, and it will be so nice.
GUNITED is a brilliant program because it brings a lot of exposure, a lot of learning by doing. Basically, getting to make Kenya a very cohesive nation. It's a beautiful program. I love it.